So today I'm going to show you how to make the loop stitch, and this is a lot of fun. So let's go and make our slip knot. So that's my slip knot there, and I am going to cast, I don't know, let's say 10. It really doesn't matter with this stitch how many you cast on. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my 10 stitches there. So now on the first row I am going to only knit. So knit. And there we go. Now you can make the loops on every one, or you can alternate them. I like them alternated, but whatever you wish. But okay, row number 2, and I always knit the first one. So on the next one, and this is the trick, you are going to go into that stitch and you're going to knit it without taking it off your left hand needle. So you're going to leave it there, and then you're going to bring your yarn to the front, put your thumb on top of the yarn, your left hand's thumb, and then bring the yarn to the back to knit. Now you are going to knit that left stitch, the one that you had left on your needle, and then the right stitch is going to go over that one. And now you anchored your stitch. So let's do that again. The next one I'm just going to knit because I want them alternated. So the next one, you're going to go into that stitch, knit it, bring that stitch out. Do not take the stitch off your left hand needle. So now in between same stitch left, same stitch right, you're going to bring your yarn to the front, put your thumb on top, and wrap your thumb. Now you take your yarn to the back. Now you are going to knit the same stitch left, and same stitch right is going to go over. And that loop got anchored also. So let's do that again. You're going to knit it, bring it out, leave the stitch on your left. Now you have same stitch left, same stitch right. Bring your yarn to the front and wrap your thumb. Now you're going to go and knit same stitch left, and same stitch right is going to go over. So again, we're not going to do anything to that one, we just knit it. And let's get that, and let's go and do it on here again. So I'm going to bring my yarn to the front, wrap my thumb, knit left stitch, right stitch goes over. And then the last two I don't do anything, I just knit. Okay, row number 3. I knit the whole row, and you can knit or purl, whatever you wish, whatever you feel comfortable with. The reason I knit it is because I want it to look curly on the other side. And that's all, it's just a preference, but it really doesn't matter. So this is row number 3. In row number 4, it's the same thing, but we're going to alternate them. So we're going to go in there, knit the first one. This one had the loop, so I'm going to knit that one. This one didn't have the loop, so that's where I'm going to make another one. Go in there, bring it out, bring your yarn to the front, wrap your thumb, knit the left, and the right goes over. Knit the next, and then on the next you bring your yarn out, leave the left there, bring your yarn to the front, wrap your thumb, knit the left, and the right goes over. Knit the next. So again, go there, knit it, bring your yarn to the front, wrap your thumb, knit the left, the right goes over, knit the next. Then again, separate, bring your yarn to the front, wrap your thumb, knit the left, the right goes over, and you knit the last one. And those are the 4 rows that you repeat. And it looks really, really cute. You can put it on sweaters, on cuffs, or if you want to make leg warmers, you can make a cuff with these loops. It looks very, very cute. So there's a lot of things that you can make. We're making a cuff, I mean a muff, you know, to put your hands in. And so we're going to have this online also soon. And thank you very much for watching. Please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.